Hi, and welcome to the Stylistics Masterclass. My name's Martin, and I'm very excited to share this information with you.
I have a Bachelor of Arts with Honours in English Literature, I have a Master's degree, and I have a PhD in Linguistics. So you could call me Dr. Martin Tilney if you wanted to, but I won't insist on it. I've published articles in leading academic journals, and my main research interest is at the intersection of linguistics and literature.
In this course, we're going to find some hidden meanings in a short story using systemic functional linguistics. You may be thinking, why use linguistic methods to get at the meaning of a text? Well, text and meaning is made through language. So in this course, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of doing such an analysis. First, we're going to break the text down into clauses. Then we're going to look at each clause from 3 different perspectives. And finally, we will identify the linguistic patterns in the text. This course is perfect for people doing research in linguistics and literary studies. However, it also has application in education, media studies, cultural studies, psychology, and many more. So I hope that you'll find great value in it. I created this course with linguistics students in mind. However, there is a lot of support built in, so you don't need any prior knowledge of linguistics to successfully complete it. Okay, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the other side.